Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth and today we are crafting for the Crescent Creation shop, and I am using the new Owl Buddies or newer stamp, and it is available in the shop at crescentcreation.com, and you can use the link down below to grab yours. It is an affiliate link. It does not cost you anything, but I do get a little percentage. And it also lets Neha know that I'm doing a good job and sending some shoppers her way. I am frantically looking for MISTI. Please hold. I had it turned backwards and couldn't see it because it was all black. So I'm gonna place MISTI, well, place this in my MISTI because I need really good coverage. And oops, before we do, gotta trim that down so that we get our nice little white border. Okay, so we're gonna go down to 4 by 5 1/4. Okay. Hello voiceover. So this I'm speeding through because I didn't like how it transferred and embossed. The lines on the stamp are so delicate and gentle. I'm not sure if I pushed too hard on the stamping or what happened, but it didn't emboss beautifully, and I had a weird texture to my embossing. So that's something I need to work on, and you could see there was kind of a little bald spot up there. But we no worries, my friends. Right here, we are going to try again. So we're gonna set this in here. This time, we're actually gonna do the black on the black and see how that turns out. There we go. Give that a good pressing. Oh, that is so much better. Look at that. I'm getting a good press right there. There's a bubble right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so much better. Much, much happier with that, and we'll just leave that like that. Yeah. So yeah, if it fails, you know, flip it over. Try again. See if you like it better the next time around. I'm going to clean up and I'll be right back. Okay, so woohoo, there's our card panel. Okay, so that beautiful nighttime tree silhouette. Oh, it's beautiful. In a previous video, I used this for cleanup. I had some brown on the table and I cleaned it up. It's a video on my channel. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make sure my brush is clean. And I'm going to come in with this beautiful cookie dough light tan color. You can also get cookie dough at the shop. Be sure to check out the shop. They have some goodies on sale. There's quite a few things on sale. See that? Just darken that up. Not even going to clean the brush. I'm going to go into the new Weeping Willow, also at the shop. And I'm going to just... I'm going to start here since I already messed that up. I only need a section. And I'm just trying to get some fun. Oh, here we go. I think I like this section right here. That section right there. Okay, isn't that? Yeah. Such a lovely little spots. And that is where we're going to come in with our stamp. And we're going to grab some of those spots that we like, so that we don't have to color our bird. How fun is that? I'm so excited. I did misplace my stamping block. This one should do. Ahaha, there you are. Yes. And then we're just going to ink it up. And the eyes are a nice solid color. So I want to make sure I don't have any ghost areas in there. Press that down. I feel like I just moved that. Hopefully I did not. Oh, look at, oh, so beautiful. And then right over the top of that, I'm going to accentuate a few features. Okay. That's the fun thing about this. I'm going to just go in with some alcohol markers, because this is a water-based inks, so they'll accept the alcohol markers just beautifully. As I'm looking at this, I do feel it needs a little bit of something. So I'm going to get, oops, I always open the wrong end of these things. I'm going to put a little bit of a shadow under here. So, and then I'm gonna try to see if we can sparkle up the eyeballs with a little bit of blue. Oh, that's so much better. Sometimes we just gotta add a little bit of extra touches to get what we want. And I think I'm gonna do it with the orange, because I have these fun gel pens. Give it more of a metallic-y beak. There we go. Ha ha ha, love it. All right, so let's put our card together. I'm surprised that's still flowing considering I left it open. My bad. See, right over that poorly embossed. See, it happens. It happens to all of us. We have the best intentions and then it's like, no, failure. But that's okay because it's just paper and we can use the backside. So we're going to smoosh that down. I am going to pop my little owl guy up because I think he kind of warrants that. And it's going to be so beautiful. Very quick and easy card. Using a little bit of piece of cleanup paper. And we're just going to set this cutie right there. And then we can see if we want to put any sentiments, because this one does have some really great ones. Hoot hoot hooray, have a great birthday. You're a hoot. Bless this nest. I'll always love you. You're wise beyond your years. Grats, grad. And I'll see you soon. And then a little graduation cap. Isn't that the cutest little thing? But I'm feeling like let's doot. I was hoot and doot. I think we'll do You're a Hoot. You're a Hoot. And we'll get a little piece going right there. So we'll get our block. Okay. Make sure that's nice and pressed in. And then we're just going to get a scrap. A little scrap piece. That's all we need. Right there. And then we're just going to do a quick fussy cut because it doesn't have to be perfect or precise. Just going to get a little bit. All right. Look at that. Oh, I like that. And the best part about this card, it only took 25 minutes. And yes, that is with my little air. Ooh, don't put it upside down though. To You're a Hoot. Right there. And there we have it. A cute little You're a Hoot owl. Used some cleanup paper and the Owl Buddies owl and background piece. And just look how beautiful that black on black is. Ugh, it's so pretty. Thank you for hanging out with me. The link for this will be down in the description for you. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.